Okay, so guys, I think I've double checked. This one is 87. So 87 is ending here. So I'm gonna have a horizontal center line that goes it goes. So this one I'll have to, where is this one? Okay, I'm actually having challenge with hard copies, but then the owner is insisting, saying please do it. Do it. No, it. Okay, then after that I can come and read the biggest dimension here. So the biggest dimension from here till here is how much? Is 78. We've correlated that. 78 divided by 2 is 39, isn't it? We did that. This is 39. This is it. Then now I just come and place it here, mark there and mark here. And then I can just have horizontal constructional line and another horizontal constructional line. Then from there, what can I have now? Okay, I can come and get this one. Let me double check what is going to be fitted there, because we have what a diameter 3 there, so which is going to correspond with that one. Just this diameter 3 correspond with that one, isn't it? So what is going to be run there? Diameter, is it diameter? So there will be no any pin fitted there. There's supposed to be pin of diameter 3. Okay, so now what I can do now is for me to get this one 96. So it's 96 divided by 2. So 96 divided by 2 is 48. So I can come and just get the 48 this side. This is 49, 48. Which is 96, 96 to 0. This is it. Can then have a vertical constructional line and another vertical constructional line. Okay, after that, I can actually see that okay, it has got a. It's gonna go with 3 millimeter out. 3 millimeter. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Even this side, 3 millimeter. 0, 1, 2, 3. From there, you can just have a constructional line down. Then after that I can come and get this diameter now. This diameter is going to be diameter what? Diameter 58. Yeah, 54. Is it diameter 54? That one is 78. And then the inner one is going to be diameter 48. So this is gonna be 54, which is this one. Check it nicely. 54, which is this one, isn't it? So 54 divided by 2 is 27. So I can come and get the 27 both sides. 25, 26, 27, which is this one. 25, 26, 27, isn't it? Then I mark it 0 and mark it 54. This is 55, there is 54, isn't it? Then have horizontal constructional line, And this horizontal constructional line will be like this. From here to right there, even this side. From here to right there. Which is which one? Which is this one. Radius 3, which is something very small. So this side, from here till there, do the same thing. This side, this side. Okay, that's same. And then after I've done that, okay, it's gonna go down till where? Till right here. Till right here. Solid to right here. So solid to right there. Yeah, just a little bit for now. So once it get where it get to the bigger diameter, which is the bigger diameter from here till right there, is going to be just the horizontal. Repeat like this, and then from here it's gonna come down. So it's gonna just go down a bit, then from here to right there, as far as I'm concerned. Okay, that's same. Then it's going to be dark till where till at the supporter, because from here till here is going to disappear. From here till here is going to disappear. You understand? So from here till the supporter, till to the supporter, to the supporter, to the supporter. You understand? So that I can have this one solid. From here to there, here to there. You understand? So till such an extent, we are done with the item what? Item 4, the board. So let's fit item 3 into item 4. So the outside, you look at the outside diameter. So the outside diameter is diameter 48. So if I'm saying outside from here till here is 48, isn't it? So this 48 correspond with what? With this one, diameter 48, isn't it? So if you say 48 divided by 2, you are getting 24. So let's do it. 24. This is 25. I'm looking for 24. This is it. This is 24. I mark at 0 and mark at 48. This is 50, 59, 48 right here. And this one is going to be drawn firstly faint, and then from here till here solid. Then this one, draw it faint for now. You understand? So that you come and take a closer look to say what is going to happen there. There will be that hole of 3 millimeter, isn't it? That hole of 3 millimeter. So if you say 3 divided by 2, 1.5, 1.5, isn't it? So let's do it. 3 millimeter divided by 2. So 0, 1.5. So the 1.5 is between 2 and 0, 1.5. Isn't it? So this is 4, this is 5, this is 4, this is 3. I mark at 3 and then I mark at 0. You understand? So then if we cut here, you can actually see that hole of 3 of diameter 3 is gonna be cutted as well, isn't it? So that is why it's going to be what you see on your front view is going to be exposed. So the hidden, those hidden, they will be dark. This one, they will be dark. Okay, so I've drew this one solid, which means I can also draw this one dark like this, and these ones dark as well, from here till right there, from here till right there, solid. So I can just come and have this one dark here, and even here, dark. Okay, so this is an internal part of my item 4, but I assume that the outer part of my item 3 is already fitted there. You understand? So which is diameter 48. So if now the internal of this bush, the internal diameter is 36. Is it 36 or 35? It's 35 for sure. Let me correspond it with another one. 35. So what it will be running through the bush is item 1, isn't it? So the item 1, the outside diameter of it is what? Is 36. And that one is what? This one is what? That is why I prefer hard copy. This one is what? This one is 30. Diameter 30. So that one is 36. Can actually see is diameter 36. So what will be running? This will be running through the bush, isn't it? So it's 36. That confirms that, which means this internal diameter that we're talking about, this internal diameter, this one is supposed to be 36. So 36 divided by 2 is 18 millimeter. 18 millimeter. This is 19. This is 18. So I mark 80 and mark it 36, which is this one. Understand? So I can just have dark here and have dark right there. You understand? Then remember, the exploded isometric is always by your side. It's the one that is guiding you and it. Okay. So we fitted that one. So which means this left part of it, we can close it. How? Can close right here. And close it right there. Okay, let me double check again before we close, because I can see this bush of it is this bush is actually of the different length. You can actually see that here. We have to erase it. Let's double check. So if from here till here is what is 90. No, wait, let me see this one. From here till here is what is 90. It's 96 millimeter, and the bush is what is 102 millimeter. So you can actually see it's going to overlap just a little bit. So how? So if you say 102 divided by 2, so it's 51. So it's going to be 51 this side, 51 this other side. Okay, so let's do it. 51. So this is 51. 100, 102. So it's actually correct. So we are at the right track. So which means I can close here as well, just a little bit. from here till there, from here till there. 106. No. 102. This is 110. This is 15. Let me double check again. This is 100 and 100 and 102. Yeah, it's correct. So it's going to be like this. So my item 4 is fitted already, which is this one. My item 3 fitted into item 4 already, which is that one, isn't it? Okay, but then here I have to erase from here till I just erase it. Let me erase it now before I forget. Erase it here, my guy. Only here. Only. Okay. Then from there, we can fit what now? We fitted item 3. We fitted, there is our item 4, fitted item 3 inside, fit item 1 inside already. So the moment I draw the head of it here, which means I'm fitting my item 1 already. So this is it. So it's outside diameter. The outside diameter of it is what? Is diameter for 54. So 54 divided by 2, 27. Open my drawing compass to 20. Even if I don't use the drawing compass, because this is not what to call a hexagon, it's just a straight. Okay, so that's 27. It's going to be 27 this side, 27 this other side. 25, 26, 27. This is it. I mark here, and 54. It's like we've dealt with this dimension, which is this one. I mark there. We've dealt with this dimension before. Okay, they said this is its diameter, isn't it? So it's of a height of what? Of 27 millimeter. I mean, not 27, 17 millimeter. My mind is tired. No? I had a long day. 15, 16, 17. This is my 17 ending here. 15, there is my 17. Then I mark 80, isn't it? After I've marked 80, there it goes. Then I can then have this one solid from here to right there, from here to right there. Then they said if they are saying 3 times 45 degrees, which means from where your 17 end to come here is 3 millimeter, and you can actually see it's just coming out by itself. Let me see. This is 0, 1, 2. Let me 0, 1, 2, 3. Just a little bit, very close. And remember, which line was this one? It's actually that one from the base. You understand? Then from there, it's very closed. Then from there, use 45 degrees. 45 degrees from here to that line. Then from here to that line. Then I can have this one solid till here. Have this one solid till right there. So this is its head. Then after the head, we are going to have how about its length. The length, we are told again, my brother, that okay, where you 17 record 102 millimeter, this 102 millimeter actually correspond with what? With that one, with the 102 tallies with what? With this one. with this one. So as much as, and remember that from here till here is that 102. So which means the moment I'm closing it like this, from here to right there, it's a good as if I am drawing this line that you can see from here till here. Everyone, remember that this is going to be regarded as a shaft, and a shaft, we do not section a shaft, you draw it the way as it is, exactly the way as it is. Understand? And then after that you record 45 and 32 and 36. Let's start with the 45 followed by the 32. 45 from where your 102 ends, which is right here. 45, 45 is ending right here. Then remember, the exploded is still by your side. It's the one that is telling you everything. After the 45, there is what? There is a 32 going horizontal. 32, which is right there. Okay, that's it. Then from there I can just have a construction line, can have another one vertical. Let me simply extend this center line just to repeat. There it goes. Then after that, your exploded, it will be always by your side. You can actually see that what is supposed to be followed now is item 5. Where is your item 5? Where your item 5, which is the gear of a thickness of what? Of 30 millimeter. And remember that one. So from here till here is 3 millimeter, 3 millimeter. So which means even this side from here till here 3 millimeter. You understand? So it's supposed to be attached to what? To your item 4. You understand? So I can fit it like this. Firstly with radius 30 from here till here, 0, 1, 2, 3, isn't it? Once it get there, I can then record the 30. Remember, this one was the, which one was this? Was this one? Let me erase it before it confuses me. I don't need it to be this much long anymore. Okay, let's say my 3 is ending there. I can then record the thickness of it, which is what? Which is 30 millimeter, isn't it? So the 30, where are you? I am right here. After the 30, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, isn't it? Then from there it goes faint like this, then faint like that. Okay, remember this one was there, was the 45, isn't it? So our wheel is supposed to start from here till here. Let's get to the outside diameter. The outside diameter of it is what? Is diameter 100, and remember using a scale of 1:1, 126. 126 divided by 2, 63. So I come in and record 63 this side and 63 this other side. 63, and 61, 2, 3, which is this one. Then 100 and this bottom part 126, 120, this 125, 126 is right here. Okay, that's right. And then from there, my 126 ending here on the upper part seems to be going out of my drawing sheet, but I've tried to adjust it Remember, at the bottom of the drawing sheet I have another drawing, isn't it? So that is why it seems to be getting a little bit small. Okay, so now after that I can have this one dark. It's where faint going up. That's where my 30 is ending, isn't it? So come and have this one dark from here till there, dark, and from here till right there, dark. So it's gonna go up, dark, just a little bit for now, since I don't know it's going to be dark till where, isn't it? So even this side, what I know is that it's going to come down just a little bit for now, since I don't know yet, isn't it? Even this side I don't know yet, up until I come and double check this diameter. Okay, so the 106, let me double check something. The 106 is actually giving us this diameter of 126 is actually giving us the PCD. Okay, that's the biggest one is what is that one. That is why I prefer to use a hard copy. And other than this, you understand, it's 136, the biggest one, 136. Okay, but it's fine, still on the same thing. So we'll fix it, that one. Now let's get that one, so that we get this, which is 54. And the 54, I think we've correlated it, is this one from here till here. It's 54. We've done it. So since we've done it, we know what it is going to be. This is the 54, if you still remember very well. So it's going to be dark till right there, understand? So even from here till here is the 54. So remember, even here, get it, it's going to be done like this. You understand? Okay, so even what you've done this side, you can do it this side as well. So there means I'm aligning this with that. So there it goes. Just a little bit. It's not clear. Just like this. Even what's happening? Oh, is the paper under? That paper that I've put it under. So even this side. Where is it? There it goes, which is this one. You understand? Okay, so what I've drew as a solid here is going to be hidden. Actually, you can just hidden. It's giving you the PCD, pitch circular diameter. So the biggest is 136, which is what? So this 126 is giving us what? Standing like this. It's giving us the PCD 126. So the biggest is 136. I can actually see the 136. So if you say 136 divided by 2, 68. 68. So 68, this is 70, 69, 68 is this one. This is my 68. I mark it 0, mark it 0, and mark it 136, 135. I'm looking for 136, which is this one. So it's the one that is supposed to be dark. It's the one that's supposed to be dark. So from here, with that thickness of 30 millimeter. So now I'm having a clear understanding picture that okay, from here till here it should be closed like this. So even here it should be closed like this. Are we together? So even what you did here, you'll do it up here again. So the thickness of 30 is this one. So from here till right there. Then now I can join it solid till at that. I can join it solid till at that. Okay, that's it. So I can just go down a little bit for now, up until I come and double check what is happening here. Okay, let's see the internal part of it. Okay, so now let's correlate what that 116. So 116 divided by 2. 116 divided by 2 is 58. So 58 this side and 58 this other side. 58, this is 60, 59, 58, you are here. 58, 59 against. So I simply mark it is 0 and mark it what? It 110, 116, 110, 115, 116, you are here. So, and it's going to be solid. And double check, we are given the hint. The upper part, this is the half sectional with the upper hand in sectioning, if I can call it according to sectional drawing. We've got a half sectional with the upper part in sectioning. So the question said draw a full section, which means even the bottom part is supposed to be the same as this one. So from here, this is we're given as half sectional. Then when I have to draw its full. Okay, that's it. Then now let's get what we've gotten that. Let's get to the 30. So 30. Simply mark 15 this side and 15 this other side. So 0 and 30. And I'm gonna have it dark from here till there. This one, let me not have it dark for now, because there is a key that's supposed to be fitted there as far as I am concerned. The key, which is that one, item number 2, and let's double check. It's where is it? 36. So from here till here is 36, which this 36 from here till here 36 correspond with that one from here till here. Understand? So let me double check now. Let me firstly get what this one, this 30 diameter 30, which is this one. Okay, we've gotten it. Then they said from here till here 3, so which means from here 3 up and 3 down, so that we get the true 6 millimeter, isn't it? So that's the key. Remember that from here till here 15, from here till here 15, so that from here till here is diameter 30. But then 0, 1, 2, 3, isn't it? Then I mark at 0 and I mark at 6. You understand? And this key of ours is going to be exposed as well, like this, like this. I'm not quite sure about its height. Let's get it, because it's supposed to start exactly here. Remember this part, you see where I'm pointing? This part where I'm pointing is which one? Is this one? Is that one in our drawings? That one. So the 36 is starting exactly there. So let's get that 36. From here, 35, 36, which is actually exactly right there, my brother, which is actually exactly right there. So we were actually at the right track. Okay, that's say. But now what I can do, I'm gonna have it now, close it here and close it right here all together. So this one I have to just extend it a little bit till it gets here. One. Then after that, what is going to happen now? Double check that the 45 is actually ending here. Still remember, it's actually ending here, isn't it? Okay, so after the 45 there is a 30, 32. Okay, we've dealt with it. There it is. Okay, once we fitted the gear, which is item number 5. What's going to be followed is going to be followed by the washer. So the washer is of a thickness of 12 millimeter. There it is. So it's still inside diameter, which is that one. Okay, and then this washer, I am going to record the 12 millimeter now from here till right here. That's the thickness of the washer, isn't it? So there it is. Then this one, it will be still continuing till right there, till right there. Then we come and say from here till here is the 12 millimeter. That's the thickness of that washer. I've never seen a washer with such a thickness. Okay, but that is it. That is its outside diameter. So the outside diameter is the 54, and the 54 is the dimension that we've been dealing with from here till here. So which means it will be just continuing from here to right there, from here to right there. Everyone, that's its thickness from here to there, from here to there. But from here till here, it's not supposed to be. You raise it. Why are you spoiling your way? This one, you don't have to further extend it to such an extent, my brother. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, let's say we fitted the washer. Then now after the washer, what is going to follow now? So the key fitted there is what is the nut. Going to follow it with the nut now. So the nut, which is going to be our very last item. So when it's like this, which means I can close here now. Which means without favor, I can close here now. Close, yeah, right here. Okay, that's it. We will have to draw the auxiliary of this. And remember the correction said we have to show the what? 3 faces, isn't it? So now this nut of ours is what? Okay, to quickly draw the nut. So the nut is what? Is M30. Is M30. Okay, we're gonna say 1.5 times 30, which is 45. 45 divided by 2. 45 divided by 2 is what? Is 22. It's 22.5, isn't it? So I simply open my drawing compass to 22, 22.5. 22.5 is between 22 and 23, isn't it? Then just place it here. You can just place it here. Then there it goes. Faint. Then after that, you can just draw the vertical center line, isn't it? Okay, seems to be the okay, it's okay now. Then from there I'll pretend as if I'm drawing across the flat hexagon. Use the vertical center line, place it here, feather it is center, strike an arc here, strike an arc here, come on, place it here, strike an arc here, strike an arc there. There I'm trying to be fast. Then from there, they said it's supposed to show 3 phases. There it goes. There it goes. There you go. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. And from there, can just take it horizontally. There it goes. Stop there by the center washer. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. So I come and double check the height of it. The height of it were given. So the height of it is 24, but we know that right from the standard formula, the height of the nut is 0.8. So should you not be given the height of it, you must then say 0.8, which is the height of the nut, isn't it? 0.8 times m number. So in this case, m number is what is 30 times 30. So you can actually see that should you still use the formula, you are still getting the 24 millimeter. Understand? So shows that's how you use both the nut method. You understand? Okay, I mean formulas. So it's still 24. So the 24, I'll record it from where my washer is ending. So the 24 is that one. Okay, that's it. 24 is ending right here. So I'm having there corner, then there is that one till here. There is that one, there is that one. So now I join this corner diagonal, this one with that one. I further extend it up until it crosses my horizontal center line. Join this one with that again. So there it goes. So I join this one with that one. So there it goes. I join this one with that one. So there it goes. So now I can simply take my drawing compass, place it where these two lines are crossing each other. They're crossing each other. Further extend it to the true height of my nut, which is this one. So I strike an arc till here. Right, so you mustn't pass here. Now I'll come and place it here. Close it, close it, close it, close it, close it. Place it right here. Further extend it to the height of my nut. So it's dark from here to right there. So even this side, from here to right there. You understand? So now I can come and have this one dark here. This is the bend of the drawing sheet, which is actually disturbing me now. So there it goes. There it goes. Come and have this one from here to right there. Okay, that's it. And remember that your 30, the very last 30, your shaft, the true height of the shaft is ending where your 32 is ending. It's actually ending right here, the 32. So remember. So now I'm going to say, and this M what is M30, isn't it? Going to say 0.1 times 30, which is 3 millimeter. It's 3 millimeter. So where my thread is, my true length of my shaft is ending, I'm going to record 3mm going back. 3mm going back. This is 5, this is 4, this is 3, isn't it? This is 3, then which is actually on top of this line of ours. Then from there, okay, if it's like that, then I'll just have a 45-degree line like this, and another one like this. Let me double check. Wait, is that one? Before I spoil my work, is what is 30, isn't it? Yes, it's 30. Where is my 30? Remember, there is a what? There is a shaft. So the 30 is actually ending. There is the constructional line of it. So what I was about to draw here was actually out of order. So if this is, there is my 30, isn't it? Because the nut is not going to be cutted. The nut is not going to be cutted. So it's better you rely on the what? On the dimension. This is the half of 30, which is 15. So I mark at 0 and mark at 30. So these are the constructional line that I'm supposed to be dealing with. Where is the 30? The 30 is right here, isn't it? So what you're about to do here, you were already going out of order, so erase it. What you're doing it here supposed to be done, because from here till here this shaft is going to be in hidden. From here till here this shaft is going to be in hidden. What I was about to do here is supposed to be done there. So do it from here to right there. So even this side, from here to right there. Then it's going to appear just a little bit small, just a little bit small like that. So that's how it's supposed to be. And then going back and going back. So that is it, that is it, that is it. So and then from there we can start to section then. We can start to section our work. Let's section our work then. Okay, let's section. So the bigger the item is, the huger is what is the hatches. So I'll start with the bigger one. I'll decide to start right here. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Because if we cut here, let me explain it. Because if we cut here, if we cut this right view of ours, so from here till here, it will disappear. This one will disappear. This one will disappear. From here till here, it will disappear again. From here till here, it will disappear again. And then these holes, do you see that we've got a holes of diameter 15, of which we didn't spoke about them. Though they won't be cutted, they will be separated. Understand? So that is why we are having what? The centers. These centers symbolize that at the back of this there is a hole. Understand? So let's continue. So I have this, I have that, I have here, that goes, that goes, that goes, have here, have here. So from here till here, it's another item. It's another item also, such that you don't have to draw it. Don't have to section. Your hatches, they must change direction when they get there. So there it goes. There it goes. I have this one here. I have this one here. So it's another one. Still item 4 there, still item 4, still item 4. You understand? So I can dimension it like this. This is what this is. Item 4, as much as I still remember, which is item 4. Item 4, which is the board. So followed by which one is big is item 5. Which one is big is item 5. Are we together? Item 5. Remember, we were given the hint of item 5. How is it going to be in sectioning? Understand? So here till here till there, there. It goes. It goes. Goes. It's already coming out up there. There it is. There it is. Then what is this one? Can dimension you like this. This is number 4. Then followed by which one? Followed by the push. So the push, I'll let them going. Remember that these ones the clockwise, this one was anti-clockwise, then this one supposed to be that goes. It's already coming there. Remember, this is the center. Then here, what is happening? I must ask myself what is happening here. What is happening here? Because the hatches, they cannot just end. As far as I'm concerned, we were right at the beginning that is supposed to be closed like this. So you close it. Because what I know is that the hatch line is supposed to start from a solid line to a solid line, from a solid line to a solid line. You understand? It's no longer there down here. Okay, that's it. Then this one is going to be item who? Item 3. Yes, which is the push item 3. Then after item 3, what else that is going to be in sectioning? Item 6, which is the washer. So it's supposed to be anti-clockwise. There it goes. So you are item 6. Then the nut item 7 is not going to be in sectioning. Item number 7. So remember, we are having 1 up to 7. So where is item 1? Where is item 2? So item 1 is the spindle or is the shaft? It's the pin, okay, which is the big one, isn't it? This one. Okay, which is item 1. Item 1, we are here. Item 1. Item 2, the key is which is not going to be in sectioning as well, but however it's supposed to be labeled. Which is item number 2. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. How come I'm having 2 of item 4? This is what is item 5, my brother. It's not 4, item 5. Because they didn't say item 4 is supposed to be drawn twice. They didn't say. So I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is it. That is it. I think there was a pin that they were supposed to put it in as item what? In item 8. Pin of diameter 3. Okay, that was it. But remember, it's on this space you have to print the what? The part list. Okay, that was it, my guy. I think I've answered your question. Okay.